Okay, boys and girls, here we are practicing some more number lines. It's really important to get good at using number lines because they're going to help us add as we get more and more difficult problems. You can always use strategies like doubles and near doubles, 10 friends, things like that. But you can always use a number line to help you add. So let's look at the first problem. 3 plus 4. So 4 is my bigger number, so I put my pencil in 3 and put my pencil in 4 and I count 3. 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer? 7. Good job. 8 plus 2. We're going to learn that 8 and 2 are 10 friends, but for now we can put our pencil on 8 and take 2 hops. Ready? 1, 2. So what is the answer? The answer is 10. Good job. Okay. 5 and 3. Put your pencil at 5. Sorry, I had a yawn. And hop 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 8. Now, boys and girls, I don't even think you need the number line for 6 plus 1. We've been doing a lot of practice with plus 1, so we know that the answer is 7. And 3 plus 2 is near doubles, but also we've been doing a lot of ways to make 5, and 3 plus 2 is one of our favorite ways to make 5. So if we know that, we don't even need to use the number line. Now let's go to 5 plus 2. We might not know that one, so one thing you might think is like, oh, 5 plus 1 is 6, so one more is 7, but also you can use your number line and hop from 5 and do 2 hops, and you're going to land on 7. 4 plus 4 is doubles. That's a doubles fact. But if you don't know those yet, we're going to hop 4 spaces, and I land on 8. Good. 7 plus 3, that is a 10 friend. That's one of our 10 friends that we're going to try and find when we're doing our math problems. But if we aren't familiar with that yet, put your pencil on 7 and hop 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and I land on 10. And 4 plus 5, so this is near doubles. It's almost the same as 4 plus 4, but it's just one more because it's a 5. So if the answer to 4 plus 4 is 8, and I'm thinking, oh, 4 plus 5 is one more. What's one more than 8? It's 9. So I go like that. Last one, 2 plus 6. That one's kind of tricky, so I'm going to put my pencil on 6 and hop 2 spaces. 1, 2, and I land on 8. Good job. If you got all of those, give yourself a smiley face and turn to the back page. The back page has some more plus 1s, but this time we have plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5, and 6. So I want you to solve these problems. Now remember, when we're writing the answer to these kind of problems, we write it underneath the line. We don't write it next to it like this. We don't write it up there. We write it underneath like this. So solve these problems and then raise your hand for me to come and check it.